Hello friends, Vinay from ExcelChamp. When we work with data, getting duplicates within the data is quite a common thing. So how to identify where are the duplicates and then how to remove them. There are many different ways to do this in Excel, and I wanted to show you what are the different ways to find and remove these duplicates. So watch carefully towards the end so that I will be sharing with you some advanced tips and tricks that will help you even to find partial matches. So let's get started. So as you can see here, we have employee data, employee ID, name, date of birth, department, and salary. At a glance, when you look at it, we can't find any duplicates. So how do we find the duplicates quickly? Well, there are several simple ways to do that. So one simple way is to simply select all the data by pressing Ctrl A, going to conditional formatting on the home tab, going to highlight cell rules, and there is the duplicate values button. If you click on it, you will immediately see all the rows that are duplicated are highlighted in the red color. And you notice I haven't even clicked the OK button. So here we can see Sarah Jones, and there is another Sarah Jones here. There is Shah Amin, and there is another Shah Amin, and there's Makpolam and Makpolam, and they are completely duplicated. The department is all highlighted in red, and that's because each department has more than one employee. Well, this is a simple way to look at the duplicates. But if your data is huge, you may not be able to see where is the duplicated rows because they may all be all over the place. And it may be difficult to know, especially if you have multiple duplicates. So in this case, rather than looking at all the values which are duplicate, let us find out one duplicate value. So of course we know Sarah is a duplicate. So I want to show you how to find if Sarah is a duplicate. So for this we can go and say highlight cell rules, and here there is a text that contains. So when we say text that contains Sarah Jones, fill it with red color, click OK, and then you notice the two Sarah Jones are highlighted. But if later on I want to check if Ram Kumar is duplicate or not, I will have to go back to conditional formatting, make sure to select all the data first, and then we can go to manage rules. We'll have to edit the rule, and because it is hard coded with Sarah Jones, so when you edit the rule, we can then change the name inside the rule to Ram Kumar and click OK. Well, and then again click OK, and you notice that this name is not duplicated, so it's only highlighted once, so it's not a duplicate. But every time you're searching for a name, going here and changing the name in the rule, it's a cumbersome process. So let's make it simpler. In this case, I will remove this rule from the entire sheet, and maybe we type the name to search, and then here let us maybe in this yellow cell we are going to type the name that we are searching for. So if we are searching for where are the Sarah Jones, so this is the name that we want to check if it is a duplicate or not. So we select all the data using Ctrl A, then go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and then we look for text that contains, and instead of typing Sarah Jones, we will point to the cell D2. This way it will not be looking for a hard-coded Sarah Jones, but rather whatever name appears in this cell. So you can see the name is highlighted, click OK, and done. Now in this case, let us say now I am searching for Mark Bolam. So I search for Mark Bolam, enter, and now you notice the two Mark Bolams have been highlighted. Similarly, if I now search for Ram Kumar, enter, only one is highlighted, and this clearly means that there is only one such name. So this way it is better. However, I want to now show you the advanced technique. For example, if I was to only type Ram, then in this case you notice wherever the word Ram appears, even in partially, it will appear. So for example, let us look at another one. I am looking for Jordan. So when I only search for Jordan, only the one name that contains the Jordan is selected. So this means it can not only find exact match, it can also find partial matches. And how do you tweak this rule? You can simply go to conditional formatting, manage rules, and within the rule, actually it says contains. So if you edit the rule, you can see it is set to specific text containing the value in here. Now you can actually change this and saying not containing or beginning with. So if you say beginning with, then the word has to be starting with that word. So in this case, I change it to beginning with, click OK, OK, and we come out, and then now you see there's nothing starting with Jordan. But now if I search for Ram, you can notice that only Ram Kumar is coming, and the earlier name, the Venkataraman, is not highlighted, even though the name RAM appears here partially. So this way, by tweaking the conditional formatting rule, you can choose whether you want an exact match, equal, or containing the word wherever it is, or only beginning with, or only ending with a particular word. This is under manage rules. By double clicking the rule, you can see here containing, not containing, beginning, or ending with. Not only text, you can also try for values. So if let's say we are searching for, let me cancel this, and now click OK, done. So let us say we are searching for salaries between 5,500 and 5,800. So what we can do, we can select all the data, and then we can go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and then we can say between. So in the between, we can pick a particular value to say that the value must be between 5,500 and 5,800. So you notice only those salaries, and then of course we can change the color to yellow to highlight that this is a different setting. So once you click OK, now only those employees where the salary is between 5,500 to 5,800 have been highlighted. So this way you can use the conditional formatting to find a particular duplicate, a particular value starting or ending, or even values between certain values. Now when you don't want the conditional formatting, we can simply go to the manage rules, or we can go to clear rules from the entire sheet. So all the rules will be removed. The data always stays permanent. Now let's say we don't want the duplicates and we simply want to remove them completely. In this case, we can go to select the data and then choose data, and here we have a button under data called remove duplicates. By choosing it, remove duplicates, and click OK, you will immediately notice that the duplicates are now gone. 3 duplicate values found and removed. 19 unique values remain. So this way we have removed the duplicates and the data is now good to go. There are no more duplicates. So if I search for now Sarah Jones, and then we need to set up the conditional formatting by going to home, conditional formatting, and look for duplicate values. You notice that in the employee names nothing is selected. So this way we can find duplicates, we can even remove duplicates. I hope you found this tip useful. If you'd like to learn more Excel tips and tricks, you can join my training program at excelchamp.net/courses. So do check it out. I have a full course which will help you to become from beginner to an expert, a pro in Excel usage. Do check out my online courses and I hope you will benefit from them. Do remember to like and subscribe to this video and our channel, as well as do join our online training programs. I'm sure you'll find them useful and you will become awesome in Excel by learning better tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. All the best.